Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach how you can easily check in online for a flight in Singapore Airlines. So we're currently here at singaporeair.com, and from here you should start by booking a trip. In this book trip section, all you have to do is fill in all the necessary details such as country where you're coming from, which is usually Singapore, and also your destination country. Also enter in your departure date and return date. Also choose your flight class if it's economy, premium economy, business, or first class. Also enter in the passengers that is going to board the flight, how many adults, children, or infants are going to be included. Then once done, just click on search, and from here just proceed and follow all the steps, enter the necessary information, and proceed by booking a flight. So once you have successfully booked a flight, Singapore Airlines should send you a confirmation email that includes a 6-digit number that is your booking reference. And from the Singapore Air website, just head in and click on the check-in button and just enter your booking reference, or if it's an e-ticket number, and also include your last or family name, the same that is written or included in your passport. And once done, just click on check in. And from there, you have now successfully checked in on Singapore Airlines. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!